It is Sunday, February 23rd. We're hosting an open house at 7747 Country Creek Drive in Hebron, Maryland. And I wanted to give you a quick video tour of this gorgeous rancher that's just over 2,000 square feet. We've got 3 beds, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bathroom. And additionally, you're gonna see walking through the home some upgrades like a gorgeous new kitchen, new LVP flooring throughout the kitchen, hallway, foyer, and one of the 2 living spaces. You're also going to notice, or you may not notice, is that there is new windows throughout this whole home, as well as we've got a fully encapsulated crawlspace. We've got an attached 2-car garage with garage door opener that comes with 2 remotes. We also have a beautiful 4 seasons room, which I'll show you in a minute, that has its own separate mini split system, as well as a gas fireplace. You're sitting on just over a half an acre with a fully fenced backyard, as well as having a detached workshop with its own electric, and it has a generator in there for you and workbenches already set up. So here is the beautiful 4 seasons room. Noticing that outside backyard space, and you've got great concrete patios that are freshly poured, perfect for entertaining. This here is a pass-through room, which would be great as a family room, but then we also have a formal dining and a formal living space. The roof of this home was installed in 2018. The HVAC was updated 2019, and it's a lot of great features that I'd love to tell you more. So never hesitate to reach us, and I hope you enjoyed this quick open house tour.